Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for your digital marketing projects, providing a full guide for the year 2025. First up, create a new project. Head over to the Projects tab and click on New Project. Fill in the project details, namely the project name, description, and the timeline. This serves as a roadmap for your project, ensuring all team members are aware of the goals and deadlines. Now that we've done that, let's add team members. On the left-hand side, click Users, then Add Users. Here's where you input your team's email addresses. This step is crucial to facilitate collaboration and assign tasks to the right team members. The reason we do this is to set up task lists. Click on the Tasks tab and then on Add Task List. Here you can add all the tasks related to your digital marketing project. Be specific and include deadlines for each task. This helps us because it manages workflow effectively and keeps the team on track. Next up, we'll look at setting up milestones. Under the Milestones tab, click on Add Milestone. Assign these to important tasks or events that mark significant progress in the project. Let me explain why this matters. Milestones are great motivators and show the team how far they've come and how close they are to the end goal. The final step is tracking progress. Go to the Dashboard tab. Here you can see a summary of your project's progress. This includes tasks completed, upcoming deadlines, and overall project status. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is aggregating all the data in real time to give you a bird's-eye view of your project's progress. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Zoho Project for your digital marketing projects in 2025. With Zoho Project, managing your digital marketing projects becomes a breeze. Remember, a well-organized project leads to a successful project. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.